Jankowski, and today, this is an ASMR. Hello, my name is Jim Jankowski, and today we're going to be talking about Continental Drift. Wow, abbreviations, drift, like Tokyo Drift. So, Continental Drift was a theory developed in 1912 by a guy, guess who? You'll never guess. Yeah, it's by this guy named Alfred Wegner. Yeah, Alfred Wegner, he was a scientist, and he's like, hey guys, I'm pretty sure like the continents kind of like drifted into the places they are now, and the scientific community was like, I shun you because you are wrong. But actually he was right. So it was only discovered that he was correct like after his death. So he was sad in his life. Actually, I don't know if that's true. And this is a drawing of Alfred Wegner. Actually, I don't know it. He has some very nice hair. He has hair. It's not crazy. It's very well trimmed. Anyways, getting to the point. So what is Continental Drift? Well, Continental Drift was a theory developed by this wonderful man that the continents were once combined into a large supercontinent known as Pangea, and I have beautifully drawn it right here. Yeah, this is not a bunch of scribbles or jigsaw puzzle. This is actually Pangea. So Pangea, he was like, this is a supercontinent, and all the continents they drifted into the places they are now and into the world. So this is the Earth now, and then that's like North America and stuff, and that's like South America. I can't draw. Anyway, and that's like Asia and Europe and Africa, and but they drifted into what it is now. So he supported this theory with many pieces of evidence. Some of them were how continents fit together like jigsaw puzzles. So if you look at a map, you may notice that South America looks something like that, and Africa, which looks something like that, doesn't look like Africa. But if you look at it correctly enough, this fits in here just like a puzzle piece. So did a lot of other places. So that's first clue. Second clue is mountain ranges. So stone layers across the continents, they fit together. So it was like a big puzzle. So the Appalachian Mountains here fit together with Greenland. I'm gonna draw Greenland, and mountains in Europe and Asia, and then they all had similar rock layers. So he supported his theory with that. And then finally, what I'm going to discuss is fossils. So there were fossils all around here, and Pangea had a bunch of fossils. And one example is the mesosaur. Or whatever how you spell it. Anyways, the mesosaur was this aquatic dinosaur thing that lived in the places, and when people were digging around places like people do, cause I don't know, they found fossils of mesosaur in everywhere. So they found it here. But the thing is, the mesosaur, they studied it and they found it was most likely physically incapable of swimming the distances from Africa all the way to South America. So they're like, how? What is life? Oh my gosh. And then Alfred Wegner was like, hey guys, remember my theory on Continental Drift? Well, maybe they were all together and then they drifted apart. And they're like, nah, but now it's true. All right, so what happened with Continental Drift? So it looks like just a bunch of things, but if I give them meaning, so this is North America. You can see this is like Alaska over here, Canada, Mexico, right here, United States. This is South America. This is Africa. This is Eurasia. This is Europe right here. Eurasia, so Africa. and then this is actually Antarctica. So another fossil evidence he found was in Antarctica. The fossils there were actually coal beds and fossils like herbivores and carnivores. So there was abundant life on Antarctica. But right now Antarctica, it's like kind of at like, oh crap. It's kind of at like the bottom of the earth, and it's like kind of like cold. That's a snowflake. Snowflake. Let it go. Let it go. Yeah. Oh, Elsa was like, yeah, yeet. And then Antarctica is like kind of cold. So they're like, how are there herbivores? Herbivores only eat plants, and carnivores would eat herbivores. So that means there are lots of carnivores for an herbivore to survive. So Alfred Wegner once theorized, so this was like the equator. Kind of. It was kind of like messed up. I drew this badly. But Antarctica was higher than it once was, so it was in a warmer climate. So that meant there was plant life, and then eventually it drifted down to where it was today. So that was another theory he proposed. So, yeah, that's basically it. Make sure to take a picture of Alfred Wegner and send it to everyone you know. Thank you. Goodbye.